Hi viewer, most welcome in my YouTube channel, Unique Tech. Please subscribe. Let's know how to download BeamNG.Drive best game. Many YouTubers like Indians, foreigners etc. tells that how to download BeamNG.Drive and how to play, but their process doesn't work properly. After injecting the game Drive BeamNG and download two applications for verification. You will not be able to use BeamNG.Drive game. Because this game is not made for mobile users. If you are not believe on this, you may check it on Google. BeamNG.Drive game made for only PC users and it's required 4 GB of RAM. So please don't worry and don't try to run this game on mobile. If you will try to use this game on mobile, then you only lost your mobile data and time and nothing you will find. I hope you would like the information telling by me about the game BeamNG.Drive. All the YouTubers who tell to you how to download and play BeamNG game, they are all lying. You may download and install the APK in your mobile, but you will not be able to play the game after using many norms. If the information telling by me you like, then please do like and your feedback also subscribe. Let's see in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care.